The following message is transmitted at the request of the Florida State Police and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. This is not a test. At approximately 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a young lady has begun attacking both police and civilians within Crowne Plaza, Miami. The aggressor is believed to be 28-year-old Megan Richter. She has begun to strike citizens and authorities to the ground, at which point, has ignited them through an unknown force. Megan is a white female, stands at 6 feet tall, weighs 170 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes, is wearing a black dress heels, spiked bracelets, a spike choker, and is currently showing physical abnormalities. At this time, civil authorities are unable to subdue the aggressor. All citizens within 2 miles of Crowne Plaza are advised to shelter in place now. To shelter in place, turn off all lights, lock all windows and doors, close all blinds and curtains, move to an interior room on either the lowest or highermost floor of your shelter, and stay away from windows and doors. If you are currently out on the road, pull over in a safe spot, and take shelter in the nearest sturdy building. If you are caught in the open, or come into contact with the suspect, take evasive action as necessary, and do not confront the subject. Doing so will put your life at risk. Most importantly, do not panic. Panic will only make the situation worse. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All cable and broadcast systems shall transmit this message. This is WPLG. We will continue to serve the Miami area. If you are not in this local area, please tune to a station providing news and information for your area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Florida State Police and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. As of 2:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, reports have come in from the Miami Police Department that the firefight assailant, Megan Richter, is continuing to experience physical abnormalities and is in possession of an unknown substance, at which time, her body has grown 2 feet in height and has begun to cause tremors by means of leaping and then slamming the ground. In addition, it has been confirmed that she possesses the ability to breathe fire upon her targets. There is severe damage to Crowne Plaza, and severe injuries have been reported from the attack. All citizens within 2 miles of Crowne Plaza are advised to evacuate the area immediately. Bring all necessary supplies, and follow instructions given by emergency management. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All cable and broadcast systems shall transmit this message. This is WPLG. We will continue to serve the Miami area. If you are not in this local area, please tune to a station providing news and information for your area. This message will be retransmitted in 1 minute. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Florida State Police. At approximately 4:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Megan Richter has broken through police barricades, despite effort by civil authorities. She is causing mass destruction to surrounding areas, and is heading east. An evacuation watch is currently in effect for the city of Miami. In the event of an evacuation, bring all necessary supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a radio or television that is either battery or crank-powered. If you have access to a fallout shelter, bomb shelter, or sturdy basement, go there immediately. Otherwise, civil authorities will aid those in the event of evacuation. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All cable and broadcast systems shall transmit this message. This is WPLG. We will continue to serve the Miami area. If you are not in this local area, please tune to a station providing news and information for your area. Please stay tuned for further updates. This is an administrative message from the Florida State Police and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. As of 7:23 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, after an extensive firefight with police and civil authorities, Megan Richter gained entrance to Marlins Park, Miami, at which time it was reported that she had stepped into a wall of flames before disappearing. Furthermore, the assailant left a message stating, "Your efforts have proven worthless, but despite your resistance, I shall spare you. For now, I shall decide whether or not your world is worthy of my reign. If I return, you will kneel before my new empire. In the meantime, I advise everyone to pray for forgiveness, for everything you knew, and above all, for my mercy. Fatally yours, Queen Bowsette." It is unknown if the attacker still poses a threat to the public. However, all citizens should remain vigilant and be prepared to take action at any time. Due to extreme damage, an all clear will be issued for the city of Miami at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All cable and broadcast systems may now resume normal programming operations.